Good morning, Long Island. Bill here, your Long Island Ford guy at Otis Ford. Today I want to explain why a Ford Gold and Blue certified vehicle may actually be a better option for some buyers than buying brand new. A lot of people hear pre-owned and immediately think higher risk, but Ford certified is a completely different animal. These vehicles go through a very detailed multi-step inspection and reconditioning process before Ford will even allow us to certify them. And honestly, it costs us a lot of money to properly certify one. Between technician labor, inspections, reconditioning, tires, brakes, fluids, filters, warranty costs, and Ford certification fees, it can easily cost thousands of dollars to turn the right vehicle into a true certified vehicle. That's why not every used car becomes certified. Now let me explain why this may work for you. Top 5 reasons a Ford Gold or Blue certified vehicle make more sense than new. Number 1, you avoid the biggest depreciation hit. A new vehicle loses value the second it crosses the line and it's titled. Many certified vehicles are only 1 or 2 years old with low miles, so somebody else already absorbed the biggest depreciation hit a vehicle can take. Number 2, you may get more vehicle for your money. Maybe your budget only gets you into a lower trim level. Brand new, but certified might allow you to move up into a Lariat, a Platinum, King Ranch, Badlands, Tremor, or a limited model with way more equipment. Number 3, warranty coverage. Ford Gold certified vehicles come with tremendous factory-backed protection. You're getting peace of mind without paying a full new car pricing. Number 4, many certified vehicles have already proven themselves. No first-year bugs, no unknown history. Many are local trades that were serviced properly and maintained very well, even some of them right here. And number 5, this is the one most people don't know. Sometimes Ford offers subvened interest rates on certified vehicles. That means special lower financing rates that can dramatically reduce the overall to own over time. In some cases, the payment difference between new and certified can be huge. Lower purchase price, lower depreciation, and potentially lower financing costs. That combination can make certified one of the smartest financial decisions on the lot. So if you're trying to decide between new and certified, don't just look at the sticker price. Look at the total cost to own. If you want help figuring out which option is best for you or makes the most sense for you, text me directly. I'm Bill, your Long Island Ford guy here at Otis Ford. From Queens to Quogue and beyond, let's get you driving.